This is the method used by car manufacturers to determine CO2 emissions, fuel consumption, and the range of electric cars. WLTP is the new standard adopted by car manufacturers in order to determine emissions and consumption of the fuel-powered vehicles, but also the range of electric cars. This new standard came as a replacement for the outdated NDC test, which had been in use since the 1980s. The main priority was to introduce a new method of testing cars that would suit how the vehicles will be used by the consumers. The results are represented by more accurate and realistic figures when it comes to the actual range of electric cars and the consumption of the fuel-powered vehicles. A particular example is a comparison between the outdated NDC test and the new standard WLTP. While the NDC test reported a range of 400 kilometers for an electric vehicle, the new standard WLTP reported for the same model a range of 300 kilometers, so a fairly consistent difference. But how much better is the new standard introduced in 2017? Well, WLTP is a test that takes place in a laboratory that creates conditions as close as possible to the reality. The test takes place on a dynamometer and is designed in 4 phases. In the first phase, the car is tested under low speed conditions, somewhere about 56 km per hour, and then the speed starts increasing gradually until the last phase, where the speed is 140 km per hour. WLTP takes into account different speed situations from traffic and also different equipment and weight variations of the tested vehicles. The testers will examine the lightest and the heaviest version of the car, and then they apply a mathematical formula coming up with the car's consumption, with the range of the car, and also with the amount of CO2 emissions. To better understand the differences between the old NDC test and the new standard WLTP, here are 2 photos that will help you. Till the next time, drive safe.